Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to add or upload photos on Facebook. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and tap on the Facebook application, and once you are inside the Facebook, you will be appear with somewhat like this on your screen interface. Now in order to upload photos on Facebook, what you're gonna do is click on that image option right beside the what's on your mind. Once you do that, select the pictures you would like to add or upload on Facebook. Now once you have added your post or photo you would like to add on Facebook, what you're gonna do is you can also write something of the picture, or you can tag your friends, or you can also add music. Once you are done with everything, you can see the post option, click on it, and simply your photos or post will be added on your Facebook profile. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If yes, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.